Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can use our GWC MCX live feeder and our Amibroker chart. After installing GWC live MCX feeder and Amibroker by our customer support executive and technical support executive, you will see this GWC live feeder icon in your desktop. Don't straight away go and open this Amibroker. First, what you need to do is open this live feeder. So after opening this live feeder, you will see this pop-up window where you need to provide the username and password provided by you. Note, you have got a validity, so check with the customer support executive before that what is your validity. The validity is fixed based on the available funds you have in your trading account. So you can log in using the credentials provided by us. So it will pop up another window, GWC live MCX feeder login process completed. Just press OK and wait for a while. You can see that our chart starts loading. It will take at least a minute time for the first time opening, and after that it will be a bit faster based on your internet connection. This GWC live feeder by itself will hook the Amibroker, so you need not open Amibroker separately. So by itself the Amibroker chart will open, and you wait for a while because our server will update the live feeds, and it will show you a pop-up message saying Amibroker download completed. Now it is ready to use Amibroker. Once the Amibroker chart is opened, you can select symbol from the symbol list available here. You could see the list of active symbols you have, and we had provided a few previous contract data also, which will be helpful for you to backtest your strategies. So you can choose from the list of any symbols, any time frames, and on the top you have this window where you can activate this symbol icon. Then you will get this list of symbols. In this way also you can do that. So you can choose any active symbols, and if you want to add new window, always try to use this new blank chart, and then you can try to add indicators. The main features what we are providing with 3 active and most powerful indicators in order to help you to take a valuable trading decision. You can find all these technical indicators in the menu, where you could see in the drop down menu from window you can click chart. It will open all the activators preloaded with Amibroker, but you can find here GWC, where we had provided 3 more customized proprietary indicators which is available only for Goodwill Commodities client. Now I'll explain you how to use this indicator. Now I will show you a demo how to add this indicator. Here you can see this plus symbol. Click on that. Use blank chart. See, it will load you a blank chart. Then just you drag this GWC indicator into that. That's all. Then you can set this time frame. Now our indicators work well with a 7-minute time frame. You could see that you can change the time frame. If you want to add another symbol, I will show you. Just open a blank chart, just click on this indicator, just drag and drop. That's all. It will load you, and then you can change the time frames also. If you want another indicator, just drop and drag it. Now I will close you, and I will explain you the importance of this indicator and how it is effective in doing trading. Now assume that the price is moving. Just to show you a demo that I am pulling this chart, just assume the price will be moving like this. So our indicator has got the ability for day trading. This is purely for day trading to identify the profitable entry points. You could see that let us assume that the price is moving. Suddenly when you get a trade signal in this particular area, when you get any trade signal, the color of the candlestick will be changed into white color, and by default you will get the target where you should buy, the target and stop loss on the left hand top side. You could see that it has created a buy at 3017 with a target of 3037 with a stop loss of 2997. So by default it will show you stop loss and target, and the most important thing is now I'm going to place the cursor on the indicator, which will show you the open, high, low, and the price is the closing. Our indicator will give you trade signals only after the candlestick closes. So only after the closing of the candlestick it will provide you a trade signal. And if you notice here, the trade signal was generated 3017. It will give you a good ample time for you to place your orders, which means that whenever the price is closing, it will give you a trade signal. It's not on the closing price, but on with respect to the high it has created. So it will give you some good time for you to take a trading decision. Now I will enlarge this so that you will get some clarity. Now you can see the high is around 3015, but the trade signal was generated at 3017 and the price closed at 3013. So it will provide you a good time for you to place orders. It is not like other software which provides random signals and it will not give you enough time for even placing orders or you to think. So by default this GWC indicator, what I am showing you is this GWC indicator. It has got the ability to show you, it provides you buy and sell signals with exact target and stop loss. Once the target is achieved, this signal will vanish. Now let us consider this case. So right after the market opening, the market had provided a trade signal with a sell at 2919. Now you could see that I had placed the cursor on the candlestick. The low is around 2921. The signal was generated at 2919. So what happened after that? You could see the price closed at 2932. So after the price closing at 2932, it will provide you a signal at 2919. So only after the price comes down below 2990, your order will be triggered. But what happened after that? This is a safety measure. You could see the price didn't come down below that and it retraced completely. The price went above. So it is a false signal. So what we are trying to say is we had included some protective measures also, even though we know that it is automatic trade signals. So in order to protect you with some false signals, you could see that is the reason we told you it will provide you good ample time. Even even if you could see it had provided a trade signal, but the price didn't come to that point. So this is the wonder with a GWC indicator. It works well for crude oil, natural gas, copper, nickel, silver. I will repeat, crude oil, natural gas, copper, nickel and silver. If you want to be very aggressive with this GWC indicator, you can change the time frame. You can decrease the time frame so that it will provide you random signals, but it is advisable to go with 7-minute time frame. If you are because it gives you 1 or 2 signals per day. If you want to be a bit aggressive, you can come down till 3 minutes, not below that, because after that it will provide you a lot of trade signals. But it has got a very good potential and it identifies the entry key profitable potential very easily. It is very simple and you can check how effective it is. It had provided a very good results in the past and we hope that it will provide very good result in the future also. And within this trade indicator, we had included a few more technical indicators, traditional technical indicators. You can see the color of the candlestick both or only in 2 colors. One is blue color and another one is a red color. This is very simple. It is a sort of MACD. What you use? It is a sort of MACD customization we had included in the chart itself. Whenever there is a crossover, it will give you a blue color, and whenever there is a downside crossover, it give you red color. In order to make your trading decision better, so in visual you could see we had included this MACD also. In addition to that, you got these 2 dots. You could see these 2 red color dot and blue color dot. This is an RSI indicator. So whenever the price is in overbought and oversold conditions, it will provide you a warning signal, so that you can consider this as a warning and you can be a bit safe. So what we are trying to do is we want to protect you. We had included a lot of indicators within a same chart, so that it doesn't look like you are using more indicators, but it will be very effective in your trading. Now let us move on to GWC trend. The chart you are seeing is a GWC trend. Earlier what you saw is a GWC indicator. This is GWC trend. The main difference is it will not show you the automatic buy and sell signals, but it is a collective set of all indicators. Like I told you, it has got a MACD, which whenever there is a crossover, it shows you a good signal, and you have this guideline of with RSI. You can see that whenever the price is in overbought and oversold condition, it gives you a warning signal. In addition to that, we had included these pivots. So many people follow these pivots. So automatically it will give you the pivot with resistance and supports also. So everything in the same package, so that you can be very clear with the trend. In addition to that, we have automatic trend channels. So these automatic trend channels also you have, so it will guide you to take a valuable trading decision. What again we are saying that it is a collective set of all indicators. For example, you can use this trend channel alone for trading. How it works, many people try to do the same thing. They try to do this, what we try to do when we are doing day trading. We want to buy at low and sell on high, but we don't know where to buy on low and sell on high. So this trend channels has got a inbuilt strategy which we had tested in the last based on the histories of chart. It had provided good result also, and you can also try that. Whenever the price is entering into this bottom two support channels, you can see this trend channel has got a green line, two upper band, two lower band. Whenever the price is entering into this bottom channel, you can go for buying, so that you buy at the bottom, and you can make this the green line as the first target, and the next top band as a second and third target. The stop loss also is going to be very simple. Assume that you try to enter when the price is hitting this particular area, 2957 in this area. Immediately when the price enters within this two band, you can go for a buying, because our objective is to buy on bottom and sell on tops. The stop loss is going to be whenever you buy at any point within the zone, the difference between this green line and the area where you are going to buy. So put that as a stop loss. So it is going to be very simple. So the difference between these two channel is going to be a stop loss. The basic idea behind and the logic behind is if the price is going to hit the stop loss, it is going to have a different trend channel, because it is going to be away from the trend. So you are going along with the trend with the help of this support line. In this particular case, you can see that how it works. So you place a stop loss, and you could see our pivot is showing some support also. This is how we can use this. Our MACD also giving some positive signal for buying, so you can be a bit confident, and you could see the price went up and hit the first and second target. So this is a very simple handy indicator. Not we have not included big logic, but you could see how effective and simple. That is what we need in trading, a simple strategy, not very confusing strategy. You can also mix the same thing with our GWC indicator also. It depends on your trading method, but this trend channel, MACD, RSI, and along with this pivot can do a lot in improving your trading and improving your profit and protecting your losses. Now let us go and see the third indicator, GWC Pro. So all these three indicators were based on different logics. The first one, the GWC indicator was based on breakouts. So initially you could see whenever there is a breakdown or breakout, it provides trade signal. So that is GWC indicator. And this GWC trend is based on supports, resistance, and pivots. So you try to hit on bottom and sell on tops. This is again a different logic and entirely a different method. The GWC Pro is also another logic. If you want to run profit, few traders, they want to take position and they want to make use of the entire profit. So this GWC Pro will help. It has got two bands. You will get a two band. It is a sort of it is not like a straight band, but it is a sort of this band you could see bending band, a sort of moving average. So when the price hits the this GWC Pro will provide you trade signal only when the price is within this band. It will not provide you trade signal when the price is above or below this band. So whenever the price is coming down below or within this band, it gives you trade signals, but the profitability will be very high in this particular case. So you can use this as a signal to signal. Whenever you buy, sell, you run your profit. By the end of the contract, you will get a very good profit and decent profit. So it will provide, GWC Pro will not provide trade signal very often. In a contract like crude oil, in a monthly contract like crude oil, it will give you 10 to 12, 15 trade signals. That's all for entire contract. Now I will run this so that you can see that it had provided a trade signal at 2,947. So the price came down. You could see it is quite a big profit compared to the earlier things. Again, it had provided a buy signal, and you can notice that the price went very high. So this is the importance of this GWC Pro. You take entry and you can see that you run your profit. Make sure if you follow this GWC Pro, you run your profit. So for a long time you could see it had not provided any trade signal. Only whenever it gets any bottom or top, you will get trade signal. You could notice that again it had provided a buy within this band. Now it reversed its signal to sell. But again that ended up in a good profit. So the importance of this GWC Pro is whenever within this GWC Pro, we can give you a hint that whenever this two line is touching each other, it signals a consolidation. So here we had provided you another inbuilt signal which will tell you consolidation phase also. Whenever the price consolidates, it never gives you any signal. So if you want to escape from consolidation, GWC Pro works well. Now we could see for a very long time it didn't provide any signal. Again it gave you a buy. Now we are in buy. So this is the importance of GWC Pro, and in these three indicators provided by Goodwill Commodities, we can say all the three are different, not based on the same methods and same formulas, and it is provided only for clients. Few things I want to remind you again. First thing is, don't straight away open Amibroker. First you need to feed it. Just start our GWC feeder, it will hook you the Amibroker. The second thing is, go and check your task manager. In the task manager you will see the process. In this process you can see this broker.exe, it goes for Amibroker. So don't open multiple times, so that multiple broker.exe will be opened, and don't again the feeds will not be good. So you need to have only one broker.exe. If you have any, these are the basic troubleshooting things, you can do it by yourself. So don't open multiple Amibrokers. Just to close and see there is no broker.exe in your system, then open the feeder. So the system and the data feeds will be quite smooth. One more facility what we had included is, you can see in this system tray, you will see this GWC live feed icon. Right click on that, send support request. If you want any support request, you can mention your client ID, your contact number, email ID, and the reason for support. You can pull down and you can write your message and submit it. Straight away it reaches the customer support executive and they will contact you very shortly and solve your issue. So these are the various facilities what we had provided make your trading better. So you can use. So if you want to get installed this Amibroker and GWC live feeder, what you need to do is straight away go and contact your branch. So the system works like this. You contact your branch, and from your branch they send the request to the customer support department, and from this department they take care of the installation. So what you need to do is go and contact your branch manager, your branch, and they will send you the request, and straight away they will call and they will install you the required software. So this is how it goes, and we can provide you a demo for a week. If you want to test our trade signals and Amibroker, you can get a demo. And once again, I want to repeat this, it has got a validity. So make sure that you trade regularly and you have some funds in your trading account. If you get any error, like when you open your software, it will show sorry, your validity expires, then contact your branch. From the branch, you need to send a request to the customer support executive. So if you understand this process, it will be very smooth for you. So thanks a lot for watching this video. So keep watching our YouTube channel. So if there is any updates, we will send you the videos.